Meroc vibration plate and a Lifepro vibration plate. This Meroc one is probably the most popular vibration plate. It is pretty basic. This one is far more advanced than any vibration plate I've had. So with this one, it's simply remote controlled over here. So there is just a button and you just press go on this and it's gonna vibrate. You can press the speed up. It goes all the way to a speed of 10. So right now I am on a speed of 5. I have my legs pretty much like normal standing mode. If I were to spread it apart a little bit more, I'm gonna get a little bit more vibration. The same goes with the Lifepro here. This is a vibration 1 on here. If I spread my legs apart more, it's a lot more workout. This one, I am going to get a lot more movement because the plate is wider. It's a lot larger than this one. So with a speed of 5 in comparison to that one, this is how much movement I am getting. I am really feeling this going on. Of course, this is a bit more advanced. Like I mentioned, this did come with resistance bands that you attach over here. So you can do lots of different workouts with this thing. So it's a full-on body workout. This is also really elevated compared to this one. So if you were wanting to do like step ups, you could, because it is such a step up compared to this one. If you're using it as a step up, it's not as big of a step up as this one. So you could do lots of different squats on this one too, step up squats. And then this one has kind of a shape that goes like this. So it's kind of weird for me. I don't know why they did that, but it's just a little weird, like a weird shape to me, because I could like slip my foot if I wasn't paying attention that way. So this, with the, it has this thing called walking, jogging, and running on here, and that is the foot placement. So with walking, this is the jiggle, or this is the movement. With the running, this is the movement. Walking, you can see I'm not really vibrating because my legs are like right next to each other. With the jogging, my legs are completely wide apart. And then the running, really, I am moving quite a lot. This does go up to 99 speed. This one goes up to 10. The minutes on here setting is going to be 10-minute setting, and this one is a 15-minute setting. So that is like what they suggest on your time frame of being on here. You could always just play it again if you wanted to do for longer. So the time really doesn't matter, but if that mattered to you, then you might want to think about that. But this just has lots of different programs. Also, it goes up to program 9, and then this one is just like turn on and off and put it on your speed that you want. Or you could have different vibration movements with the different programs, so it could switch off to fast, to slow, to all of that. Or just wanting the typical vibration plate, you're gonna just stand on it to get your drainage, lymphatic drainage going on. You're watching TV, I would go with the very popular Meroc here. If you wanted really good workout, you want to do planks on here, you want to do step ups and squats and all the resistance stuff, I would go with this one.